Learning English, Grammar Fundamentals, Articles and Determiners. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our Grammar Fundamentals series. In today's video, we will be focusing on the usage of a and n, which are known as indefinite articles in English. Understanding when to use these articles correctly is an essential skill for building strong English sentences. So, let's dive right in. When we talk about indefinite articles, we are referring to a and n. These articles are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified nouns. But how do we decide which one to use? Well, it depends on the sound that follows the article. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a dog, a book, and a university. It's important to note that it's not about the actual letter the word starts with, but rather the sound it makes. On the other hand, n is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an hour, and an honest person. Again, it's about the sound that follows, not just the letter. Remember that it's the sound that determines which indefinite article to use, not the actual letter the word starts with. Now, let's talk about a couple of exceptions when it comes to using a and n. There are cases where the initial letter of a word might be a vowel, but it sounds like a consonant, or vice versa. When the letter U is pronounced as Jew skeptical smiley face, a consonant sound, we use a before it. For example, a university and a European. Similarly, when the letter H is silent and the word starts with a vowel sound, we use n. For example, an hour and an honest person. These exceptions help us maintain the smooth flow of speech and make the sentences sound natural. Now, what about using indefinite articles with plural nouns? In general, we don't use indefinite articles with plural nouns. However, there are specific cases where we can use a or n with plural nouns. We can use a or n with plural nouns when we want to refer to one of many. For example, I have a few books, or he has an interesting collection of cars. Here, we are not referring to the entire collection or all the books, but just one or some of them. Remember, though, that using a or n with plural nouns is not very common and is used in specific contexts. Congratulations! You've now learned the usage of a and n in English. These indefinite articles play a crucial role in helping us convey meaning and specificity in our sentences. Remember to use a before words with a consonant sound and n before words with a vowel sound. Keep practicing and pay attention to the sound that follows the article. With time and practice, you will become more confident in using these articles naturally. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your understanding of English grammar. Stay tuned for